Great. Do you want to talk through like what a typical day of when we have a customer coming in and you're working with them? Do you want just a simple overview of what typically happens?
Yeah. So at the moment, we are really focusing on flexibility. So that means the quite common way is a customer was in another lab or was in a wants to have a final measurement, and he gets a failure or bad result. Yeah. And this is the point where we come in to. For example, is really the customer calls us, has a problem, has a limit deviation or is above the limit, or has any problems with the immunity testing. And in this case, he comes to us because we've tried to be very flexible in case of scheduling a time slot and helping him very fast. And means really the customer comes to us, we discuss the problem, we checking the results he has already already with him, yeah, and we analyze this and checking if we can reproduce these failures or these limit deviations as well, yeah. And as soon as we have this done here in our laboratory, then we checking for the investigations, yeah, on this and try to improve this. In parallel, we try really to have everything on site in case of components, inductors, capacitors to improve the whole product. Yeah. So a typical day is really one day where the customer is in our lab to get a better feeling and get maybe really a solution where he can continue his certification of the product.
So are you doing sounds like you might be doing some kind of rework testing too, where you have components and switching components out and doing some using experience you guys have with how to solve different problems?
Definitely. This is the main task we have is the rework on the problems. Yeah, so we have the experience based on our power products, which is definitely a noise source. Yeah,
Right.
And based on our experience on this, we help our customers or external customers to rework on their layout, on their design, and try to get a solution. Sometimes we can help by adding some components. Sometimes maybe we can not help in this case, and there needs to be a new layout to be done.
Yeah, yeah. Well, great. Well, thanks for the overview. And we can have customers go to our website. We have a EMC Lab section of the website, and people can get more information, see some more videos. There is a contact form where you can fill out your application, information about your application, and someone from Jan's team or other locations will reach out to you quickly and help you get started.